To build a WordPress website on GoDaddy, follow these steps. Purchase hosting and domain. Go to GoDaddy's website and select a WordPress hosting plan. Choose a domain name or use an existing one. Complete the purchase and proceed to the next step. Install WordPress. After purchasing hosting, log into your GoDaddy account and go to your account dashboard. In the My Products section, find your hosting plan and click Manage. Under Web Hosting, click Manage cPanel. In cPanel, scroll down to the Web Applications section and click Install WordPress. Follow the prompts to install WordPress on your domain. Once installed, you will receive login details for the WordPress admin panel. Choose a theme. Log into your WordPress dashboard at yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Go to Appearance, Themes and choose a free theme or upload a premium one. Activate your theme. Customize your website. Use Appearance, Customize to adjust your site's layout, colors and fonts. Install plugins for additional functionality. Add content. Create pages and posts, add media, and organize your website structure.